Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. We are the group 8, and our topic is all about the body shape of fish. So the first one is anguilliform. Fish that are long and skinny. These fish, tailor-like skin allows them to make over into narrow openings and resist the force of current. So ang gani siya nga is gitawag ang shape ani gitawag siya og anguilliform, which is mga examples niya ani is like mga swamp eels and eelfish. Then ang iyahang flexibility sa pagdamoy is paspas ang iyahang movement. And also makita ko yung mga anguilliform fish sa both can found in fresh water and salt water. Globiform fish. These fish are almost round or globe shaped. They are year-round like globe and typically Erythromastys, swimming fish in the ocean. So ang kaniyang fish, siya ani gitawag siya globiform, which is mga examples ni ani is mga lungfish, patternfish, and cutlass fish. And also ang ihang movement sa paglangoy is hinay. Unlike sa anguilliform, ang movement is paspas. Kaya tungkol siyang shape kalingit, so ang ihang movement sa paglangoy pinay jud. And also nakita ko ni globiform fish sa coral reefs. So the third one is tiniform. Thin ribbon-like shape, good for hiding babies and cubs. So ang kaning tiniform, may mga examples niya na kaning isda, ang shape ani gitawag siya tiniform. Ang mga examples niya na which is mga hornfish, ganel, singana ang mga examples niya. And also ang iyang shape is thin ribbon-like shape, good for hiding babies and frogs. So also makita ko din siya sa mga bato-bato. Ang kaning isda, ang kaning tiniform. And also ang iyang pong movement sa paglangoy is darting movement or paspas gihapon ng iyang movement.
Fourth, compressed form. Fish that are readily compressed, tall, thin body shape that allow fish to enter vertically, revise, allow for brush off, speed, and quick turns. Ang sampulan ni kay mga sa kanang angelfish, fish o kanang mga kanang butterfly fish. Mukompress ni sila side to side. Mukompress ni sila kanang side to side tapos
Go.
Possiform, streamlined with pointed end shaped like a plane, help to lower frictional resistance and allow them to move through the water extremely fast. Ang sampulan ni kay tuna, shark, kanang swordfish, kay muna sila kanang paspas sila maglihok, muna nakabutang dire extremely fast.
Sagittiform, elongated tubular body layout that is arrow shape allows fish to stray quick. May example niya kay gar and barracuda.
Expression, wide flat body shape that all fish to rest on the bottom. Example niya kay flounder.